Have you ever wondered how to start with affiliate marketing in 2024? In the world of digital marketing, affiliate marketing has emerged as a powerful tool that allows you to earn while promoting the products or services you believe in. So, what is it exactly? In simplest terms, affiliate marketing is a process where you, as an affiliate, promote a company's products or services. When people buy via your affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win scenario. You help businesses grow their customer base, and in return you get a slice of the profit. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its flexibility and scalability. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting, you can leverage this model to generate income. And the best part? It's continuously evolving, adapting to new technologies and consumer behaviors. Now that you have a brief idea of what affiliate marketing is, let's dive into the steps to get started. Before you step into the world of affiliate marketing, it's crucial to understand your market. Now let's dive right in. Picture your market as an ocean. What kind of fish are you trying to catch? Are they small, nimble, and plentiful? Or are they large, elusive, and rare? In other words, who is your target audience? Their preferences and behaviors will dictate your strategy. Remember, not all fish are the same. Some prefer the shallow waters near the shore, while others thrive in the depths of the sea. In the same way, different audiences have different needs and wants. Some might be interested in the latest tech gadgets, while others might be passionate about sustainable living. Your job is to identify what your audience is interested in and cater your affiliate marketing efforts to meet those interests. Now, how do we understand these preferences and behaviors? Research, my friend, is your compass in this vast ocean. Conduct surveys, use social media, and employ analytics tools to gather as much data as you can. Listen to what your audience is saying. What do they like? What do they dislike? What problems are they facing? These insights will guide you towards a profitable niche. Identifying a profitable niche is like finding a gold mine in the ocean. It's about finding that sweet spot where your audience's interests align with profitable products or services. For instance, if you discover that your audience is interested in fitness and wellness, then products like protein powders, fitness equipment, or wellness apps could be your gold mine. But how do you know if a niche is profitable? Look at the demand and competition. Is there a high demand for the products or services? If yes, that's a good sign. But what about the competition? If it's too high, it might be tough to break into the market. Ideally, you want to find a niche with high demand and low competition. Once you have a clear understanding of your market, you can move on to the next step, choosing the right affiliate products. Choosing the right product to promote is the key to success in affiliate marketing. Now, this may seem like a no-brainer, but it's a step that requires careful thought and consideration. It's like finding a needle in a haystack, but once you find it, it's worth its weight in gold. Let's talk about profitability. It's critical to choose products that offer generous commissions. After all, this is a business, and the goal is to generate income. Look for products with a high profit margin. But remember, high commissions should never compromise the quality or relevance of the product. Which brings us to the next factor, relevance. The product you choose to promote should align with your niche or area of expertise. It should be something that your audience is interested in or could benefit from. If you're a fitness blogger, promoting fitness equipment or health supplements would make sense, right? On the other hand, promoting kitchen gadgets on your fitness blog might not resonate with your audience. Then there's product quality. This factor is often overlooked, but it's just as important. Promoting high-quality products not only enhances your credibility, but also increases the likelihood of repeat purchases. It's a win-win. Do your due diligence. Research the product, read reviews, and make sure it's a product you can stand behind. And finally, promote a product you believe in. Your authenticity and passion can be sensed by your audience. If you truly believe in the product, it will shine through in your promotions, and it will be easier to sell. If you wouldn't use it, why would your audience? All these factors, profitability, relevance, quality, and your belief in the product, intertwine to create a successful affiliate marketing strategy. It's not just about making a quick buck. It's about building a sustainable business that provides value to your audience. With the right product in hand, you are now ready to set up your affiliate marketing platform. Your platform is where you'll promote the affiliate products, so it's important to set it up correctly. Now, when we say platform, we're referring to the digital space where you'll be marketing your chosen affiliate products. This could be a website, a blog, or even your social media profiles. The key is to choose a platform that aligns with your audience and your marketing strategy. Let's start with websites. Creating your own website gives you the freedom to control your content and design. It's like owning a digital storefront where you can showcase the products you're promoting. There are plenty of website builders out there that are user-friendly and require zero coding skills. But remember, your website should be more than just visually appealing. It's crucial to optimize it for search engines, or SEO, to increase its visibility. Blogs, on the other hand, are an excellent way to provide valuable content while subtly promoting your affiliate products. You can write in-depth reviews, how-to guides, or listicles featuring the products. Again, SEO plays a significant role here. Using the right keywords can help your blog posts rank higher on search engine results, driving more traffic to your site. Now let's talk about social media. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube are powerful tools for affiliate marketing. They allow you to reach a wider audience and engage with them directly. You can use eye-catching visuals, compelling captions, and hashtags to promote your products. And don't forget about the potential of video content on these platforms. A product review or tutorial video can go a long way. Regardless of the platform you choose, remember to focus on user experience. Make it easy for your audience to navigate and find what they're looking for. Use clear calls to action, and make sure any links to the affiliate products are working correctly. Lastly, don't forget to track your performance. Use analytics to understand what's working and what's not, so you can continually improve your strategy. Now that your platform is set up, you're ready to start promoting your chosen affiliate products. Promoting your affiliate products effectively is crucial to earning commissions. Imagine yourself as a matchmaker. You're connecting people with the products or services they're seeking. But how do you make those perfect matches? It's all about promotion. Promotion is not just about pushing products, it's about providing value. So let's dive into some strategies to help you do just that. Content marketing is your first tool. This is where you create and share relevant, valuable, and consistent content to attract and engage your audience. You're not just selling a product, you're selling a solution and experience. For example, let's say you're promoting a fitness equipment. Instead of just talking about the product, you could share workout routines, health tips, or success stories. You're not just promoting a product, you're promoting a healthier lifestyle. Remember, content is king, but context is queen. Next, we have email marketing. This is your chance to build a more personal relationship with your audience. It's not about flooding inboxes with sales pitches. It's about providing useful content, updates, and offers that your audience will appreciate. Let's stick with our fitness equipment example. You could send out weekly workout plans, health tips, or exclusive discounts. And don't forget, personalization is key. It's not "Dear subscriber," it's "Dear Sarah" or "Dear John." Then there's social media marketing. This is your stage to engage with your audience in a more casual, conversational way. Share content, start discussions, respond to comments. Make your audience feel they're part of a community. And don't forget about the power of influencers. A shout-out from a respected figure in your niche can give your affiliate products a significant boost. And lastly, always remember to be authentic and transparent. Let your audience know when you're promoting an affiliate product. Trust is a fragile thing. Once lost, it's hard to regain. With effective promotion, you'll start seeing results in your affiliate marketing journey. Starting with affiliate marketing in 2024 may seem daunting, but with the right steps, it can be a rewarding venture. Let's quickly recap what we've covered. First, we delved into the importance of understanding your market. Knowing your audience is the foundation upon which successful affiliate marketing is built. Next, we explored how to choose the right affiliate products. Remember, it's not about the highest commission, but what truly resonates with your audience. Then, we discussed setting up your affiliate marketing platform. Having a dedicated platform to promote your affiliate products is crucial. It's your stage, your spotlight. Lastly, we talked about promoting affiliate products. This is where creativity meets strategy. It's all about reaching your audience with persuasive, engaging content. With these steps, you're now well equipped to start your journey in affiliate marketing. Remember, consistency is key, and success won't come overnight. But with persistence and the right strategies, you can make a profitable career out of affiliate marketing.